In the workshop, every second counts. Efficiency isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. That's why Valvoline brings you a smarter, cleaner, and a more sustainable way to handle lubricants. Introducing the new Valvoline BayBox. BayBox isn't just packaging, it's a solution built for modern workshops. Made from up to 90% recycled card and fully recyclable, BayBox reduces plastic use by over 87% compared to traditional 20-liter pails. Its integrated tap eliminates cross-contamination, while the durable gloss finish protects against spills during dispensing. And with built-in handles at the front and back, it makes lifting and positioning safer and easier. Every BayBox features a frontal usage indicator, so you'll always know when it's time to restock. No surprises, no delays. Need product specs or help choosing the right oil? 2 QR codes on the front give instant access to Valvoline's online lubricant advisor and PI sheet portal. Once empty, BayBox is easy to break down. Flatten the box, remove the bag, and you've reduced your waste storage space by 10 times compared to pails. Even deliveries are smarter. BayBox allows for 20% more lubricant per pallet, saving costs and reducing deliveries. Valvoline BayBox isn't just a packaging change. It's a smarter, faster, better way to work. Improve efficiency, reduce waste, and support sustainability in your workshop. Ready to rethink the box? Discover BayBox today.